Hello friends, I am Mr. R. N. Nikam and you are watching my YouTube channel Ramdas Nikam. This is educational video or a tutorial. Now let's deal with the brainstorming activities. Brainstorming activity number 1 and from first activity sub activity number 1. Form groups and explain the following words with examples. You can take help of your teacher. म्हणजे गट तयार करा आणि खालील शब्द उदाहरणासह स्पष्ट करा. The words are humility, self-esteem, gratitude, courtesy, generosity, sympathy, empathy. Now let's deal with the meanings. 1. Humility, the quality of not being proud. Number 2. Self-esteem, belief or confidence in your own ability and value and self-respect. Number 3. Gratitude, the feeling or quality of being grateful, thankfulness of something that you have got. Number 4. Courtesy, polite behavior or action. Number 5. Generosity, a willingness to give help or support. Number 6. Sympathy, an expression of understanding and care for someone suffering. Empathy, ability to share someone's feelings. These are the meanings. Sub-activity number 2. Have a group discussion on the topic the need of soft skills at the workplace. Use the following points. Number 1. Written and verbal communication. B. Ways of interacting with others. C. Creative abilities. Number D. Emotional intelligence. Now let's deal with one by one. One answers. A. Written and verbal communication. These skills are very important. These skills are always high on essential skills. People's strong communication skills build relations. Listen well and you can avoid misunderstanding. B. Ways of interacting with others. These skills such as active listening, collaboration, presenting ideas and communicating with colleagues are all highly valued in workplaces. Number C. Creative abilities. Employees with creativity can find new ways to perform tasks, improve process, develop new ways for business. D. Emotional intelligence. Emotional intelligence is known as emotional setting, as a social emotional learning, etc. These are the answers. A to 1. Read the text and state whether the following statements are true or false. Correct the false statements. म्हणजे सत्य की असत्य विधानं सांगायची आणि असत्य विधानं दुरुस्त करायची. A. Bitter problems in day-to-day life can be solved by sweet words. Yes, correct. B. Great wars could have been avoided by little courtesy. Correct. C. Observance of etiquette in a normal situation is important, but more important is their observance when the situation is adverse. Correct. D. Words like please and thank you help us in making our passage through life uneasy. False. The correct statement is words like please and thank you help us in making our passage through life easy. E. The law permits anybody to use violence if another person is discourteous. Correct is the law does not permit anybody to use violence if another person is discourteous. The answers are also given here. First 3 are correct and last 2 are incorrect and they are corrected here. Now sub-activity second. Select the most appropriate sentences which suggest the theme of the essay. essayचा मुख्य विषय सुचविणारे सगळ्यात योग्य अशी विधानं निवडायला सांगितले. A. The essay tells us about courtesy, civility, morality, responsibility and control. B. The essay explores the difficulties that can be incurred by an individual when dealing with the public. C. One can keep one's peace of mind without having to lower themselves to the level of the perceived offender. D. People with low self-esteem are generally difficult to work with and they look down upon others to get a feeling of superiority. The correct answers are A and C. The essay tells about courtesy, civility, morality, responsibility and control, and C. One can keep one's peace of mind without having to lower themselves to the level of the perceived offender. Activity 3. Find the reasons for the liftman's uncivilized behavior. म्हणजे लिफ्टमनच्या असभ्य वर्तनाची कारणं शोधा असं या ठिकाणी सांगितलं आहे. लेट्स फाइंड आउट द आन्सर. Reasons for the liftman's uncivilized behavior. Number 1. He was much hurt by the slur cast by the passenger on his social status. 2. The passenger's discourtesy was a wound to his self-respect. 3. He felt insulted by the passenger's behavior. These are the correct answers. Activity 3B. List the people and their behavior that made the passenger rude and ill-mannered. म्हणजेच प्रवाशाला उद्धट आणि असभ्य वागायला प्रवृत्त करणाऱ्या लोकांची त्यांच्या वर्तणुकीची यादी तयार करायला सांगितले. या ठिकाणी आपण ते उत्तर देण्याचा प्रयत्न केला. द पीपल हू मेड द पॅसेंजर रूड अँड इल मॅनर्ड, हाऊसमेड, वाईफ, बॉस, लिफ्टमॅन अँड ॲट लास्ट द passenger. This is the answer. Activity number 4 from activity number 2. Good manners are required in our daily life for making our social contacts more cooperative and friendly. Illustrate the behavior of the polite conductor with different people in various situations. There are two columns. In one column situation is given and in another behavior is given. Number 1. The writer's toe has trampled on. This is situation and behavior is the conductor said sorry with an apology and courtesy. Now number 2, in the rainy season, dealing with people. Number 3, dealing with old people. Number 4, dealing with children. Number 5, dealing with younger people. Number 6, dealing with a blind man. Now let's find out the behavior. Number 1, the conductor said sorry with an apology and courtesy. Number 2, he would ran up the stairs to give someone the tip that there was room inside. Number 3, he was as considerate as a son. Number 4, he was as solicitous as a father. Number 5, he always indulged in some merry jest with the young people. Them. 5. Discuss and write the impact of good temper and kindliness on the society in the light of the good mannered conductor. याचा अर्थ असा की तो सुस्वभावी कंडक्टरच्या कारणावरनं चांगला स्वभाव आणि दयाळूपणाचा समाजावरती काय परिणाम होतो याच्यावरती आपल्याला चर्चा करायला सांगितलेली आहे. तर उत्तर आपण त्याचं बघूया. Was always cheerful and kind-hearted to everyone in the bus. That's why his passengers became cheerful and good-natured. Naturally pass on the feeling after getting off the bus. Such cheerful atmosphere creates a gentle society and lead to happy life. This is the correct answer. Activity number 6. A modest calling can be made dignified by good temper and kindly feeling. Explain the statements with examples. तर बघूया उत्तर. म्हणजेच एखादी सामान्य सेवा देखील सुस्वभावाने आणि चांगल्या भावनेने उदात्त बनू शकते हे विधान उदाहरणासह स्पष्ट करायला सांगितलं आहे. त्याचं उत्तर बघा. इट्स ट्रू व्हॉट एव्हर जॉब वी आर डुईंग कॅन बी मेड मोर डिग्निफाईड बाय बिहेविंग इन अ गुड टेम्पर अँड काइंडली फिलिंग टुवर्ड्स द पीपल ऑफ आवर कॉन्टॅक्ट. गार्ड ऑफ युअर सोसायटी सेज यू गुड मॉर्निंग और थँक यू कॅन बी डिग्निफाईड. इन दिस वे अ मॉडेस्ट कॉलिंग कॅन बी मेड डिग्निफाईड बाय गुड टेम्पर अँड काइंडली फिलिंग. Activity 7. The service of the police is necessary for the implementation of law in our society. Do you think you require this service for good social environment? Discuss. म्हणजेच आपल्या समाजामध्ये पोलिसांची सेवा कायद्याची अंमलबजावणी करण्याकरिता आवश्यक आहे. अशा प्रकारची सेवा चांगल्या सामाजिक वातावरणाकरता आवश्यक आहे असं तुम्हाला वाटते का? चर्चा करायला सांगितली आहे. रिस्पॉन्स टाईप क्वेश्चन असल्यामुळे उत्तर पॉझिटिव्ह निगेटिव्ह दोघे येऊ शकतं. तर आपण या ठिकाणी पॉझिटिव्ह उत्तर देण्याचा प्रयत्न याला केला आहे. येस, आय थिंक द सर्व्हिस ऑफ द पोलीस इज नेसेसरी फॉर इम्प्लिमेंटेशन ऑफ law in our society. It's because in a society we see different types of people and all are not good at all. Some are miscreants and some are bully goons. To control such elements, we require the police service for social involvement or environment, we can say. This is the answer. 3. 1. He committed the crime in broad daylight, not bright daylight or narrow darkness. I had a cup of strong tea, not rich tea. The fast train is coming, not quick train. Such words or group of words which habitually occur together and thereby convey meaning. Association are called collocations. A collocation is a combination of words in a language that often go together. Find out the words in column B which collocate with the words in column A. Two columns are given here and we have to match them. Column A is regular, midday, key, fast, try, richly, free, traffic, social, wild. Column B, meal, concept of food, exercise, decorated, hard, jam, time, animal, justice. Collocation. Regular exercise, midday meal, key concept of fast food, try hard, richly decorated, free time, traffic jam, social justice, wild animal. Activity B from A31. Learning collocation is essential for making your English sound fluent and natural. Make collocations and use in your own sentences. म्हणजेच काय, खालील काही शब्द दिलेले आहेत त्या नेहमी जोडीने वापरले जाणारे शब्द आहेत. त्यांच्या जोड्या तयार करायला सांगितलेल्या आहेत आपल्याला आणि त्यांचा वाक्यात उपयोग करा. नुसार काही शब्द आपल्याला बिगने तयार करायचे जसं काही बिग मिस्टेक, बिग सरप्राईज आणि काही शब्द वेलने तयार करायचे आहेत म्हणजे वेल ड्रेस्ड आणि बाकीचे शब्द आपल्याला ठिकाणी शोधायचे आहेत. तर याचं उत्तर आपण बघूया. प्रमाणे आहे बिगने सुरू होणारे शब्द बिग मिस्टेक, बिग सरप्राईज, बिग बॉस, बिग मॅन, बिग ॲनिमल, बिग इश्यू, बिग मॅटर, बिग न्यूज आणि वेलने होणारे शब्द वेल ड्रेस्ड, वेल प्लॅन्ड, वेल डेकोरेटेड, वेल एज्युकेटेड, वेल सेटल्ड, वेल मॅनर्ड, वेल डन, वेल प्लेस्ड. 3.2. Sometimes while using a word in a sentence, we have to change its word class. We can make several more words from the root word. We can make several new words from the root word. I asked Sumit to. A square is given. My pencil for me sharp. We have two sentences created. I asked Sumit to sharpen my pencil for me. Now read the following sentences and use the words given in the bracket. Change the word class and rewrite the sentence. A. Lena was eating a very bracket apple and obviously enjoying it. Crunch. B. This picture looks colorful. C. I am afraid that your behavior is just not square except. D. I like my elder brother. He is very bracket self. The answers. Number 1. Lena was eating a very crunchy apple and obviously enjoying it. B. This picture looks colorful. C. I am afraid that your behavior is just not acceptable. D. I like my elder brother. He is very helpful. These are the answers. Complete the following table. Put a cross if a word class does not exist. Noun, verb, adjective, adverb म्हणजे तक्ता पूर्ण करायला सांगितलेलं आहे आपल्याला. Noun. Absence, alarm, attraction, ability, admiration, agreement, application, avoidance, difference. No verb for absence. And then alarm, attract, enable, admire, agree, apply, avoid, differ. Adjectives म्हणजे विशेषण. Absent, alarming, attractive, able, admirable, agreeable, applicable, different. Adverb म्हणजे क्रियाविशेषण. Adverbs. Absently, alarmingly, attractively, ably, admirably, agreeably, avoidably, indifferently. 3 subactivity 3. Register often refers to the degree of formality of language, but in a more general sense it means the language used by a group of people who share similar work or interests such as doctors or lawyers. Imagine that your principal or a teacher is coming. When you meet him, you would never say, "Hey dude, what's up?" This is a formal situation, so you would say, "Good morning, sir." In every situation, you use an appropriate expression according to the person. The language you use when you meet someone depends on their age, position, etc. There are formal and informal registers in spoken and written language. Write appropriate expressions and words which you have to use while facing an interview. One sample is done. A. May I come in? Remaining answers. Second. May I have a seat? Number 3, thank you. Number 4, I am sorry but I didn't get what you said. Number 5, please let me know the package. Part of the same question. You are writing a letter of complaint. List the proper expressions that you would like to write. म्हणजे तुम्ही तक्रारपत्र लिहित आहात तर योग्य अशी त्या ठिकाणी त्यांचा तुम्हाला त्या ठिकाणी उल्लेख करावा लागेल तर ते लिहा असं या ठिकाणी सांगितलेलं आहे. वन सॅम्पल इज डन. आय डिसॲग्री. Remaining we have to find out. Proper expressions for letter of complaint. Number 1, I disagree. Number 2, I am sorry to say that dash dash. Number 3, I would like to suggest that dash dash. Number 4, this is not expected from you. Number 5, please replace the defective piece at the earliest. These are some samples. Activity 3, subactivity 4. Distinguish between a legal offense and moral offense on the basis of the given text. म्हणजे त्या ठिकाणी कायदेशीर गुन्हा आणि नैतिक गुन्हा यांच्यातील फरक उतार्याच्या आधारे आपल्याला या ठिकाणी स्पष्ट करायचं आहे. एका बाजूला लिगल ऑफेन्स दिला आहे, दुसऱ्या बाजूला मोरल ऑफेन्स दिलेला आहे, एका बाजूला बर्गलरी, दुसऱ्या बाजूला रूड बिहेवियर दिले आहे. तर बाकीची उत्तरं आपण या ठिकाणी शोधूया. ऑफेन्स बर्गलरी, ॲझॉल्ट, बॅटरी. मोरल ऑफेन्स डिस्कर्सी, हॉटिनेस, लार्सनेशन ऑफ वन्स फिलिंग्स. दीज आर द करेक्ट आन्सर्स. 3, subactivity 5. Find out the meaning of the following phrases. Use them in your own sentences. म्हणजे खालील जे वाक्प्रचार आहेत त्यांचे अर्थ आपल्याला शोधायला सांगितले. त्यांचा अर्थ शोधून त्या ठिकाणी त्यांचा वाक्यात उपयोग करायचा आहे. आपण पहिल्यांदा अर्थ शोधूया. तुम्ही त्यांचा वाक्यात उपयोग करा. A. गिव्ह अँड टेक, बी अ ब्लॅक आय, सी लोअर दॅन द एंजल्स, डी नॉक समन डाऊन. Their meanings are given here. A. Give and take means exchange of ideas. B. A black eye means an area of skin around the eye that has gone dark. C. Lower than the angels. Less than perfect. D. Knock someone down. To cheat someone forcefully so that he falls down. These are the meanings. You can use them in sentences. Subjectivity 6. Find out the words with prefixes and suffixes from the text and write them down. म्हणजे धड्यातलं आपल्याला त्या ठिकाणी प्रिफिक्स आणि सफिक्स असलेले शब्द शोधायचे आहेत, म्हणजे उपसर्ग आणि प्रत्यय असणारे शब्द. आता 2 उदाहरण दिलेले आहेत. अनसिव्हिल, रिक्वायरमेंट. बाकीचे आपल्याला शोधायचे आहेत. बघूया उत्तर. वर्ड्स विथ प्रिफिक्स. अनसिव्हिल, इनएक्झॉस्टिबल, अनयुज्युअली, डिस्कर्टसी, इनकन्व्हिनियन्स, अनफ्रेंडलीनेस. नाव वर्ड्स विथ सफिक्स. रिक्वायरमेंट, instruction, reasonable, really, sympathy, existence. Activity 3 sub activity 7. Complete the table with polite expressions that we must use in our day to day life. म्हणजे आपल्या दैनंदिन जीवनात वापरले जाणारे असे नम्रतादर्शक वाक्प्रचार पूर्ण करायला सांगितलं. एका बाजूला डोंट्स दिले आहेत म्हणजे काय करू नये, आणि एका बाजूला डूज दिलेले आहेत म्हणजे काय करावे. आय डोंट वॉन्ट अ कप ऑफ टी दिलं आहे. आय वुड लाईक टू हॅव अ कप ऑफ टी. Remaining don'ts are send me the mail, go away or leave me alone, you are wrong, that's a bad idea, your work isn't good. Now let's find out the do's for these sentences. Right expressions. I would like to have a cup of tea. Number 2, please send me the mail. Number 3, please let me be myself. Are you sure you are right? Number 5, that is not very good idea, is it? Number 6, your work can do with some improvement. Activity number 4A. Edit the given paragraph using A and the wherever necessary. म्हणजे जिथं आवश्यक असेल तिथं आर्टिकल A and Dचा उपयोग करायला सांगितला आहे. The answer. Rakesh is an ideal son who remains devoted to his father as he grows professionally to become a famous doctor. As his father grows old, he takes care to spend time with his father, bringing him tea in the morning and taking him out for a walk in the evening. A for second. Spot the errors in each of the following sentences and correct the incorrect ones. म्हणजे खालील वाक्यांमध्ये म्हणजे चूक शोधून चुकीचं वाक्य दुरुस्त करून लिहायला सांगितलं आहे. ए. राधा ब्रॉट पेन्स अँड डिस्ट्रीब्युटेड देम between her 5 children. And the remaining sentences. Now I will give you the correct sentences and then I will read these sentences. A. Radha bought pens and distributed them among her 5 children. Among. B. Jayashree and Sujata sat beside each other in complete silence. Beside is the correct, not besides. C. His best friend Vijay was blind in one eye, not within. D. One could not dare to encroach on his rights. Could not. E. She was taken by surprise when she saw the famous Taj Mahal, not with by. Yep. It is not possible to exchange goods once the sale has been completed. The is removed. G. Dr. Sengupta has been trying to master the craft of last 5 years. No mistake. H. The top ranking candidates will be appointed to senior jobs in the banks. Not in 2 is correct. I. She knows very well what is expected of her. She is unable to perform. Of is correct. Not from. J. They will put up a note in this regard for your concentration, not on. Up is correct. Activity 4 sub activity 3. Read the following sentences. Santosh purchased a computer. He read the operating manual and followed the instructions. A. He linked the monitor, keyboard and printer. B. He plugged in the main cable. C. He switched on the monitor at the back. D. When the light appeared on the screen, he placed the day disk in drive. A. E. He pushed in the disk until the button clicked out. It took 30 seconds for the computer to load the program. F. He pressed the drive button and the disk shot out. G. He replaced the day disk with the document disk. H. He pressed function key 7. Convert the sentences into passive voice by filling in the blanks. The first sentence has been done as an example. First, the monitor, keyboard and printer were linked up. Then, the answer. First, the monitor, keyboard and the printer were linked up. Then the main cable was plugged in. The monitor was switched on at the back. When the light appeared on the screen, the day disk was placed in drive A. The disk was pushed in until the button click out. It takes the computer 30 seconds to load the program. The drive button was pressed and the disk shot out. The disk was replaced with the document disk. Finally, the function key 7 was pressed. The word processor was then ready to use. There is spelling mistake, was and then. Now activity 5, write a speech. Courtesy is the light of the life. With the help of the following points you can prepare. Then manners makes man. Expand the idea. You can do it at home. You should try to solve activity number 6 and 7 at home. These are for practice.